Apple at its Cupertino headquarters in California made its much-awaited announcement of 2018. That's launched 3 iPhone models this year alongside the Apple Watch 4. You're watching India Today Tech, and let's take a look at the new iPhones. The colorful iPhones you see here is the cheaper model, the iPhone XR, that comes in 5 colors: white, black, blue, coral and yellow. The phone has glass on front and back and an aluminum frame. And yes, it has a notch display like the iPhone X. But the star of the show were of course the premium models, the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max. They still have the notch, but the display is a Super Retina OLED panel, while the cheaper iPhone XR has an LCD screen. That is the biggest differentiator on the cheaper model. All the 3 iPhones now finally support dual SIM, but there is a catch. The second SIM is an eSIM, which means it is embedded inside the iPhone. Only Airtel and Jio are offering eSIM services in India right now. The smaller one, the iPhone XS, looks the same as the iPhone X. It has a stainless steel frame, a surgical grade stainless steel frame as Apple calls it. But the company doesn't mention if the glass is from Corning or not. The bigger one, the iPhone XS Max, has a big 6.5-inch display. This is the biggest phone from Apple yet, and bigger than premium phones like the Galaxy Note 8 or the Pixel 2 XL. But Apple compares the size and says it is as big as the iPhone 8 Plus. So the upgrade includes a better display, which has a 60% better dynamic range compared to the iPhone X, a faster chip, that is the A12 Bionic, which is based on 7nm process, and a better sensor in the rear cameras. Apple says the new A12 chip will make the new iPhones faster, but we are yet to see any visible difference. Not because the new chip won't be as fast, but that the old one, the A11 Bionic, was so fast already. Next, the dual cameras at the back of XS and the XS Max have a normal and telephoto camera combo that give you all-time HDR, depth control and stabilized video, something that flagship Android phones are already offering. They're also offering super slow motion, while the new iPhones still do 240 frames per second. But Apple says its new sensors are able to capture better dynamic range and much better overall photos in tricky lighting situations. Talking about the iPhone XR, it gets a single camera, LCD display and aluminum frame. The waterproofing is also IP67 and not IP68 like the other two, but it gets the same A12 chip. The phone also supports wireless charging, but Apple didn't announce any wireless chargers. It was expected to announce at the 2017 event, but it didn't announce it this year as well. The starting price of iPhone XS is almost 1 lakh rupees, about 10,000 rupees costlier than the iPhone X. The iPhone XS Max comes at 1,10,000 rupees. The top variant goes at 1,45,000 rupees. The so-called more affordable version, the iPhone XR, starts at almost 77,000 rupees. Apple also announced the Watch 4 with new features, watch faces and slimmer bezels. It can do ECG and is approved by FDA. But that feature may be available only to US customers for now, unless approved by medical authorities here in India. iPhone XS and the XS Max will be available in India starting September 28, while the cheaper one, the iPhone XR, will be available starting October 26. Do let us know what you think about the new iPhones in the comment section below, and if you have liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology like this. Thank you for watching.